there, friend. I'm back in the beautiful state of Alaska, and I'm here to take you on a road trip. Welcome to Alaska, the U.S.'s faraway 49th state. This road trip starts in Anchorage, about a 4 hours' drive up to Denali National Park. The summit is at over 20,000 feet, the highest peak in North America. It translates to the Great One in a local Native American language. Now, as we set off from Anchorage, the landscapes leading up north are stunning. And the fall colors made for a vibrant backdrop. It's autumn, biatch. Pit stop. Now we've gotten to Denali National Park, where we drove up the road for more sightseeing and hoped to see a moose, but didn't. We then checked into our Denali Lakeview Inn hotel room. This quaint and cozy hotel had an end-of-season rate of $173 a night. The best feature is, of course, the balcony view. I was pretty excited. I'm so excited to be here! Look at this shit! Look at it! Look at it! There's breakfast. It's continental. Look. What do you think about this place? I like it. Yeah. Woohoo! Now it was time to go out for Din Din. We started at 49th State Brewery, this being the original location of the locals' popular and expanding company. We then hit up some karaoke. Okay, so the next morning, coffee. Just coffee. Today, we head further north on a 3 hours' drive up to Chena Hot Springs. Not before making a pit stop at Skinny Dick's Halfway Inn. There are inappropriate, whimsical gifts for all.
The Happy Bears? But if you take this and cover the address. Now I'll let you look.
Nice. We arrived to Chena Hot Springs. This is a hotel resort centered around the natural hot springs. The entrance fee to the springs is $25 with a towel, and you have to sign a liability waiver. You change in the locker rooms, then enjoy the warm water, which was nice in the cold weather. According to regional weather data, the temperature reaches downwards of -15 in the winter. I have heard of lower though in the surrounding areas. After the Springs, we go south to the North Pole, a Christmas-themed Alaskan city. We just missed the cutoff for the gift shop building main area over there, but the reindeer were out, so let's go check that out. So tasty on that wall. We finished the night in next door Fairbanks for some sushi. And now we have to do an Alaskan sushi shot throwback.
Take two. Choke on Take three.
It's 2 hours from Fairbanks back down to Denali Lakeview to catch the Northern Lights. Earlier that day, we checked the aurora forecast and it seemed promising. So now it was a waiting game with some games.
Gosh, yes.
In your hand, anchors away and shiver me timbers. We like.
I think there might be something coming out.
Yeah, I think it's coming.
That's it. It's coming. So we'll just have to keep checking.
Okay.
Yeah. That's it.
Yes. The following day, it's time to say bye-bye to the hotel. On our way back to Anchorage, we were lucky enough to have crystal clear views of Denali.
Woohoo! There it is!
Now we are back in Anchorage, However, we still were never able to see any moose through our road trip, so we stopped by Kincaid Park in town, known for its moose sightings. We take a stroll and see what looks like moose poop.
We found moose poop!
But alas, no moose to be found. Sign for a moose, but no moose in sight. Meese is in sight. Since I can't offer you original footage, here's a picture diagram of me filming a moose, in theory. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching! See you next time! Alaska road trip is for you. Get like a fool. Oh, mushroom. There it is. Ho ho. What's one motto I live by? I am cringe, but I am free.